Hello everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel Guide Hub. In today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how to add phone number on Sephora. It is the online-based retailer offering a wide range of beauty and skincare product. Now guys, let's start the video. First of all, open up any web browser as I have already opened the Google Chrome and bring up the search bar and just type in sephora.com and hit the search. Guys, you'll be taken to the official website of Sephora. Now to add the phone number, just go for the profile icon which is at the top right of your screen. Scroll down a bit and go for the account setting just below the labs. You'll be taken to the new interface. Now at the right side of your screen, over the account information, you'll find the saved addresses just below the reservations. Click on that. And now to add the phone number, just go for the edit option at the right side of your screen. Now guys, you can change your phone number from over here and hit on update option. See guys, your phone number has been updated. That's how you can add your phone number. This much for today's video. If you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon for our latest video and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.